Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix TikTok filter or effects such icon not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you want to use filter by tapping on the effects and want to search for some filters for your favorite one, and if it's not showing, then what you need to do guys is just simply close this page from here. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply open App Store, Play Store, and make sure that you have an updated version of TikTok. Just simply search for TikTok, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. So let me show you here if my TikTok is updated or not. As you can see guys, it's asking for update. If it's asking for update, just simply update your TikTok, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. Another once this there, then you have to open settings. Now from here just simply scroll it on. If you have Android phone, just simply open setting and tap on app management. In case of iPhone, open general, then go to iPhone storage and look here for TikTok, and just simply offload the app in case of iPhone. In case of Android phone, just simply clear cache or clear storage of your TikTok app, and after that you will be logged out from your TikTok, and then you have to log in your account again and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. If the form is there, then what you need to do is just simply uninstall TikTok again, and then you have to restart your device, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then you have to open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Google Chrome here, and here you have to search for don't detector TikTok. Here it is guys. Now after that you have to tap on first link, and again wait for a while from here, and just simply scroll it on and make sure that if TikTok link not on. Okay guys, if TikTok link is on, it means it is bugged from the TikTok, so you have to wait for some hours, and after that automatically your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.